Hello and welcome to Relatable Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Android Studio for your device. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is to visit this website. I will provide the link in the description of this video to download the official Android Studio application, okay, or IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, okay. You're going to see different versions of Android Studio, depending on what your operating system is. I'm using Windows, okay? So I will just download Android Studio from here, but you can see different setups if you scroll down a little bit. Right here, you can see you have Android Studio for Windows and for Mac and for the Linux operating systems as well, okay? So download the appropriate installation for your needs, and when the download is done, continue this video. When that is done, you're going to see this installer. Okay, so now we're going to install Android Studio from scratch. Double click on that installer. Click on yes. And now we're going to be guided through the installation process. So click on next. Just leave that selected. We need the Android virtual device. Click on next. Click on next again. If you don't want to change the default installation directory of Android Studio, click on next. Click on install now. And now Android Studio will be installed on your device. Okay. After that, you're going to click on next again. And finally, just like that, you can start Android Studio. Click on finish here. Now, my installation process was different from yours because I already had Android Studio installed on my system before I uninstalled it so that I can show you how to basically set it up in this video. Okay, so some settings were already there when I downloaded it. You're going to get prompted to download an SDK version. I think by the time of the release of this video, you will get prompted to download SDK 34. Okay, so make sure to do that. You're going to need Android version 34. You're going to need an emulator. If you see something that prompts you to install HAXM installer, make sure to do that as well. You're going to need that for your emulator. And I think that should be it. Okay. If there's something missing in your installation or if you have any issues, please leave a comment under this video and we will try our best to help you. Okay? If you like my content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.